بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Start with the reject name of Allah, who is the King of Kings, most merciful and most kind. Chief Judge, respected teacher, great listener, and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today which topic is assigned us? Its subject is the unity. In reality, we have forgotten the basic principle of unity. We do not realize that united we stand, divided we fall. Unity means strength, and this strength lasts as long as we are united. Respected listener, if we are not united, it means we have become weak and disgraced. If the people of any nation are united and determined to go ahead with their work, it means they are strong and powerful. And if God forbid unity is being shattered by environment, people then show all strength is lost. In difficult times, brave and stand united like a range of rocks, prepared to face off every problem. They perform their duties with respect. Respected listener, the real strength of a nation lies such citizens who are aware of their duties, one another even more, and they are aware of their rights. Respected teacher, unity makes a nation strong, and true men of a nation make unity, and undying unity. A famous saying goes, unity is the best way to secure of a nation's future prosperity. Oma alayna illa al-barak.